So, today, I'm going to patient. So, why? Hindi ako naka-uniform. Kasi magpapaligo ako. Tatlong pasyente yung mapaligo ako. So, lahat sila ay rest. Yes, I'm applying garnier. And then, second is, I use Celadec. Yes. So, yes guys. Second is, I use Celadec for moisturizing base. Yes, wala na siya. Actually, may stock ako, makabili ko lang. So, maganda ito yung gamitin kasi wala siyang amoy. For the face garnier muna ang ginagamit ko. So, sobrang effective niya. Yeah. At kailangan natin mag-piliin na. And third, yes, I use is serum Bright Cosmetic garnier. Wala siya. The dark spots para makorek. Okay, I have period, so I have basta may tigawad dyan. Tigawad dyan, believe me. Again guys, ito, meron na siyang sand. Ay, nabuloading na lang nakad. Kailangan anak sa bingka. So guys, believe me, I have tigyawat. Yeah. So normal naman kasi mababa na naman ang ating hormones. Dahil I have a period. Then next is this. I use... Ano ba yung mga sulat-sulat guys? So, I use this Velo for the sunscreen. I have 50 SPF. So, sobrang init. Tell you guys, sobrang init. So, kailangan natin ng sun protection. Face. So guys, for my under eye, may SPF 30 pa rin ito. I use Into It. Okay. Hindi ko siya makita guys. Nakikita ba? Basta, I use Into It. Shout out Ma'am Abby. Sobrang ganda nito. So, baka bumili ulit ako. Yeah. So, sobrang ganda niya. Eto guys, pag in-apply nyo, hindi nyo na kailangan ng brush or something. Just tap. Tapos kusa siyang mag-ano. Tap mo lang ito. Hindi mo kailangan. SPF 30 naman to guys. So, mag-under eye. Ayan siya. Tap. Yeah. Yes. I use without jelly oil. My chocolates. And then I use this Caroline Key Sticks for my liner. Hindi ka magna-makeup today guys. Ano lang po? Light makeup. Kasi nga magpapaligo lang naman ako ng pasyente. Then uuwi din ako. Yes. Guys, for my cheap lip and cheek shop. Abby Lane. Shout out Ma'am Abby. This is your product. So I use this brush guys. not really make up today kasi kapag wala akong pasyente. Ito lang yung gusto. Not really. Sound blended lang. Blend lang. I'm not sure guys. Use this. Guys, what is this? Powder. Yeah. That's it. Very simple lang. So, balance ko na is composition. So, just pick up siya. Pwede ka mag-supply stage. Maraming for doing this. Shoutout sa aking patient. And the Bath and Body Works na. Hi guys, I'm gonna go na ng patients. Thank you sa panonood ulit.